Well, this is her. She's a mite bit dirty. It's got new tires on the front. It's locked. It's got some used Nittos on the back. It's got some seat covers on it. I'll open it up, we'll see it after. It's got the sunroof. This fender was changed. You can see the difference. Plus, these fenders are aluminum, this one's steel. This light doesn't fit right. It's inside the fender. It needs to be maneuvered. The bottom grill's missing. And it has, I checked it when I got it, but it has absolutely no oil in it. So I took the air box out already. I did all this. It was late when I came home last night. I just took the 6 bolts that are supposed to hold the upper and lower intake down. It didn't want to come off, so I just stopped and went back in the house. I might as well take all the little attachments and knick-knack perimeter stuff off of the intake before I go any further, but I'm gonna go get the keys. I'll show you the interior. Give me 1 sec. She's pretty dirty, I'm not gonna lie. They're not easy to get in and out of. I found out. I'm a plus size type model, so. But he left some trash in here. It's got some decent options. Like I said, it's got the sunroof. And I heard the V6s are actually the better engines for reliability. And I stuffed the trunk full of parts, but like I said, he gave me a stack of stuff he's done to it since 2017. He's had it. But it's got a DVD player, 6-disc, of course. All the stuff Cadillac comes with. I read that it's got a rain sensor, so it's got automatic wipers. Push button start. Power steering wheel movement. And all the good stuff. She just needs a good bath. And I like the white cars. I think they're pretty. This wasn't me. Must have been somebody who had work on it. But this came from a place called Blue Springs up near Kansas City, Missouri. And he left it overnight at a place and they took the cats off of it. but we'll fix that right up. It has all the plastics. I took the plastics off. It has one that goes here, there, and up the other side, and the one that goes over the intake. This fender bothers me because it's all right, but if you know what you're looking at, it's not close at all. It's more gray than, I would say, it's like an orange type red pearl in this. I don't know. I don't think there's a key to get in the trunk. It's got the button and nowhere to put a key. I think you might just have to depend on battery power for that no matter what. But she's literally got no rust. It's newer, but it happens. New brakes on it. Underneath, it's like a brand new car too. It was kept in the garage. He told me his wife hit the garage when they first got it, so that's why the fender's messed up. But enough talk. I'm gonna regroup and get ready, start pulling this apart, and I'll take you along. Well, I forgot to turn you guys on. I got the lower intake off, and she's a little dirty in there. Got a cigarette butt, some squirrel remnants, mouse, acorn stuff. Got that crack there still. Yeah, buddy. At least you know it's a timing chain. Literally, they make epoxy strong enough for that. No problem. All you gotta do is clean that properly, and you will have no problem. Well, noise alert. tie this back with a little mechanic's wire to, I don't know. Bent. And I don't know which one of you didn't say nothing, but I've been turning this undergun the wrong way. If I can edge it. I don't know how much you can see, but there we go. That's how it works, huh? Amazing how you turn it the right way and it comes right off. Amazing. Amazing. Well, let me get that shroud off. I'm gonna try to clean that radiator too. It looks like it's got, I don't know, freaking dog hair on it or something. One more piece of wood. All right. What we got now? I'm pretty sure. Let's see what you're looking at. Pretty sure There's 4 of these bolts on the perimeter to hold that, and that just comes right out. I'm pretty sure it's like rubber mounted or something like it. Fairly certain. We're about to find out. Get some more of this out of the way. I think I can get off that lower radiator hose and just drain this son of a gun out. And I'm gonna start dismantling the front. I like to use impact deep well sockets. I don't know, that rough blackness seems to let me think it grips more. Take this pulley off first. Then we come back and hit it with the magic. Hit it with the fisherman's best friend. Sounds like progress, 'cause it is. Just gonna set that somewhere, leave the bolts in it. Probably should. Get some tension off of these Larrys. Well, it's $5:20. Made some progress. Battery died. So the hardest thing was getting the battery wire off the alternator, and you can see on this hose there's a clamp that holds it to a bracket. That bracket. That bracket on anyway, now we got to take off the crank pulley, the power steering pump pulley, And the perimeter bolts for the cam cover, the chain cover, valve covers. I took all the wiring harness off of the engine, front and top, and pushed it back. I took it off the top because of course I got to take off the valve covers, so I wanted to get those out of the way. But some of them are sneaky, some are more sneaky than others. Some of them broke, of course. This is real brittle. It's like a heat brittle, you know, like these engines must run hot. And being as insulated as it is with the covers, and this plastic gets pretty brittle. Good thing it's not the wiring technically, but this just falls apart. You can see it all. Like there's pieces down there. There's pieces everywhere. But see, but it's extremely brittle. And my 91 1500 did this. But so I'm tired. I think I'm going to call it quits for now, and we'll see you in the morning. I'm gonna have fun getting that crank pulley off, that balancer, and that power steering pump pulley. I might try to work around that power steering pump. Well, I don't know. Looks like that bolt's got to come out, and this bolt can't come out without this pulley coming off. But through the magic of not caring and just trying to get shit done, that might have to change. I know I probably got a puller to pull this off. It's that common 3-bolt puller. I don't have one of these. Been meaning to get one, but never needed it, so never did. Sounds like this one bitch could use a water pump. Alright, we'll see you tomorrow.